Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is high in antioxidants, which lowers the risk of developing serious health conditions like high blood sugar and high cholesterol. Okra is rich in vitamin, calcium, and iron. Hello everyone, it's Lizzie as always, and welcome to my channel. If you've been struggling with making seafood okra that looks great and tastes great, then this video is for you. Stick around because I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best seafood okra. For this, you're going to be needing some crabs, nicely washed, jumbo prawn, wash and devein, then I'll take the head and put in my blender to extract and get the juice. Then I'll be needing okra, vegetable, kale leaf, onion, salt, and pepper, fresh croaker fish, oil, and I have some seasoning. Yeah, I'll be using prawn and fish powder stock. Let's get right into the video. Give the okra a quick rinse before grating a portion. This will help give the okra soup a nice texture, then chop the remaining portion. Wash and slice your vegetable and set aside. For the seafood okra, this is highly recommended that you get all your ingredients ready before you turn on your cooker. That's because the whole process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. To steam the fish, add in your blended pepper and onion seasoning cube of choice, salt to taste, and water. Allow this to steam for about 3 to 4 minutes. Take out the fish from the pot and put it in your oven to grill. In the same pot, add your crab, your jumbo prawn, and top up the liquid with the extract from the blended head of your fresh prawn. This right here will take the soup to another level, and the flavor it gives is unbeatable. Add your prawn powder stock, little palm oil, your grounded crayfish mixed with oziza seed. We are building flavors like, at this point, the aroma from your kitchen will be heavenly. Don't forget to add little pepper soup spice to give the soup a twist. Mix properly and allow this to boil for 3 minutes. Sounds so nice. At this point, I'll come in with my grated okra. Allow it to cook for another 1 minute. Always remember to cook your vegetables on low heat. That way your okra is not overcooked at the end of the day. So at this point, I'll be adding the chopped okra. I'll mix properly and allow to cook for another 1 minute. Yeah, our okra has been cooking for about a minute. Then I'll taste and add salt or whatever ingredient you think is needed. But at this point, I'll add a little crayfish, grounded crayfish, and we're good to go. Give it a mix and add the chopped habanero pepper. Please support this channel by subscribing. Click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So our vegetables are coming in nicely. I'll mix and add the grilled croaker fish. This seafood okra right here is the pot of goodness. I recommend this soup for anyone that is trying to stay healthy and keep fit. I assure you, enjoying this soup alone without any swallow, you'll get your desired results. Wow, I'm dancing already. I can't wait to dig in and enjoy this soup. At this point, our seafood okra is ready. Feel free to enjoy this food with any swallow of your choice. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out this recipe. Thanks for watching that video, and I'll see you again. Bye.